This is FineTek display type pressure sensor, which is used to monitor and control pressure. It can also measure low corrosive substance. Different diaphragm types can be selected according to material B. The pressure range and the connection size can be selected according to measure, also the customer's different needs. It is a customizable pressure sensor. The product is able to conduct on-site monitoring, solve the pipeline leaks and normal pressure changes. Also troubleshoot the fluid-powered machines. It works within a set of pressure, ensuring product quality and safety for equipment and personnel. It is very important in industrial applications. The principle behind the display-type pressure sensor is that when the ambient pressure changes, the shape of the fin in the pressure sensor changes accordingly, causing the piezo-resistive material to deform and change in resistance value. The resistance value then processes a signal to the circuit amplifier. The amount of the pressure is measured by the changes in resistance. FineTek display-type pressure sensors are better than ordinary point pressure sensors. Designed with anti-corrosion structure, it is suitable for use with low-corrosive solutions. 3 types of diaphragms are available for gaseous, general liquids, acidic, and alkali materials. There are 5 types pressure sensors, with applicable temperature from -10 to 60 Celsius. The default value out one high point is 2 kg per square centimeter. Low point is 1 kg per square centimeter. If the measured value is greater than out one high point 2 kg per square centimeter, the contact switch out one starts to signal. If the measured pressure is lower than out one low point 1 kg per square centimeter, the contact switch out one starts to revert. FineTek display type pressure sensors quickly provide a clear and comprehensive result, maintaining accuracy and durability under extreme vibrating conditions for a long period. The measurement data can be analyzed through computer, recorders, or other instruments. Low pressure or small incremental pressure changes can be detected as well. It can record both smallest and largest data, even has an alarm function. The display-type pressure sensor is used to monitor and control pressure, reliably measured in air, water, and alkaline liquid mediums. It can be used in various industries.
The key to start sensing the world. FineTek.